sagas of our Indian heroes, it will light up the fire, that patriot within you. Let us hear it from Krish, Trish and Balti Boy. Bharat hai hum. Bharat hai hum.
Hey, why do you look so sad, Balti boy?
I'm not sad because of you, Krish, but because of my mommy.
What? What's wrong with mommy?
Nothing's wrong with her, but because of her, I missed a chance to go parachute jumping. It was such a great opportunity, but my mommy was so scared that neither did she jump herself, nor did she allow me to do it.
All mommies are cowards. Even when there is hardly any danger, they feel afraid. Handling threats is not made for moms.
Wrong. Absolutely wrong.
Well, here comes our mommy.
Today, I will tell you both the story of a great warrior mummy whose heart was softer than butter. But her bravery was stronger than the mountain rocks.
Oh wow! Then tell us, Trish.
Okay, here it is. Sanskriti, story mode on. This is the story of Kittur's fearless queen, Rani Chennamma.
Kittur, which is today in the Belgavi district of Karnataka, had a new king, Prince Shivalinga, after the death of his father, King Malasarja.
Rani Chennamma, who was the aunt of Shivalinga, was as concerned about her subjects as a mother would be with her child. She considered listening to everyone's problems and solving them as her dharma.
Well, Queen Mother, due to very low rainfall this year, all the families in our village are on the verge of facing starvation.
I understand how it feels to suffer from hunger. So I will decree today itself to send enough stocks of grains from the royal granaries to your homes. No one will sleep hungry till I am alive.
You are great, Rani Chennamma. You are great.
One day, the queen learned that the new king Shivalinga had agreed to a treaty with the British.
What? A treaty of alliance with the British? What are you saying, Maharaj?
Forgive me, Queen Mother. I know I made this decision without consulting you, I apologize. However, if I had done that, then you would have never allowed it. I had to do this to avenge the Peshwas for killing my father. I can never forget how the betrayal of the Peshwas was the reason for my father's death. The British officer Thomas Munro will soon be attacking the Peshwas, and that is why I have allied with them.
Ally? The Britishers can never be anyone's ally. Tell me, what are the other clauses?
Well, Kittur will pay an annual fee amounting to 1.7 lakhs, and the Britishers in return will secure our borders. We won't have to worry about that.
I'm sure this must have been suggested to you by Mallappa and Venkatrao.
It is indeed their suggestion, Queen Mother, but I was the one who took the final decision.
After allying with the British, Maharaj Shivalinga defeated the Peshwas and avenged his father's death. Sometime later, the Maharaj fell very ill. And when this news reached the collector of Dharwad, John Thackeray, then...
Dr. Bell, I have received reports that our ally, the King of Kittur, is seriously ill. You must go and treat him.
The collector sent Dr. Bell to treat the Maharaj. However, till then, his body had already stopped responding to treatments.
Queen Mother, pray for him. He's on his last breaths.
I know. That is why I have come here with this legal document. Maharaj Shivlinga will be adopting a son today.
What? I mean, what's the need for an adopted son, Queen Mother? We still have you.
I am still there. But as a Maharaj does not have a natural heir, we will have to adopt a son and crown him as the prince to keep the Britishers away from our land.
Rani Chennamma got Maharaj Shivalinga's signature on the adoption papers, and then...
Mallappa, you and Venkat will have to sign it as witnesses.
As you command, Queen Mother.
The documents were then delivered to the collector by Mallappa and Venkatrao.
Did the king sign this document in the presence of you both? No, sir. What about you, Dr. Bell?
The king had already left this world before I could reach Kittur, sir.
It clearly means that there is no evidence that the signature is of King Shivalinga. It's possible that these are forged signatures, and this document was drafted after the death of King.
Yes, sir.
Send this message to Rani Chennamma. I don't consider this adoption document to be authentic. And since there is no heir apparent to the throne of Kittur, we will take over its administration as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
Both Malappa and Venkatrao were secret agents of the British in Kittur.
Then what did Rani Chennamma do next?
The Queen Mother sentenced both seditioners Malappa and Venkatrao to death and wrote a letter to Governor Elphinstone requesting him to recognize her adopted grandson as heir to the throne of Kittur. However, the Queen's request was rejected by the governor.
Then what happened?
War! A ferocious war!
Officer Walter, Officer Stevenson, I have provided you 20,000 soldiers, which should be enough to win this war. But in spite of this, I come to this battlefield. Do you know why? Because I want the pleasure of seeing Rani Chennamma cry tears of blood.
The enemy outnumbers us considerably. Their weapons too are much more advanced than ours. But remember, we have two things with us that the enemy doesn't. Dedication and dignity. Commander Balappa,
We will kill or we will die. Until then, we won't stop the fight. Die!
The Queen of Kittur and her soldiers fought so gallantly that the British forces could never have imagined. It was the last battle for Collector Thackeray. Officers Walter, Elliot and Stevenson, along with other British soldiers, were captured. The British government then assigned the task of defeating and capturing Kittur to Commissioner Chaplin.
Sir, the armies of Solapur and Mysore has arrived. But to defeat Kittur, only Solapur or Mysore's army would have been enough.
It is because of overconfidence that Collector Thackeray had to die. And officers Walter and Stevenson are still in Chennamma's captivity.
Understood, sir. First, we will attack Kittur, defeat the queen, and then get our officers free. But how will this happen, sir?
I have a plan.
Conspiring for the destruction of the Queen and her kingdom, Chaplin cunningly sent a peace proposal to Rani Chennamma.
Rani Chennamma. Commissioner Chaplin proposes that we release both their officers and their soldiers, and in return they will not invade our territory. However, I do not trust a word from them.
I too do not trust them, as they will definitely invade our kingdom again. But we are not cowards, and instead of leveraging on their officers and soldiers, it is better to fight. Release their officers and soldiers immediately.
Now that you both are back, we are ready to invade Kittur. I want to see Rani Chennamma accept defeat.
But sir, the Queen of Kittur has treated us in a very dignified way.
Sir, we should honor our words. What, my foot? By killing Collector Thackeray, Rani Chennamma has dishonored our authority. It's our turn now to return her favor and capture Kittur, or else other kingdoms too will start rebelling like hers.
Then Commissioner Chaplin invaded Kittur. After another valiant fight on the battlefield, Queen Chennamma was finally captured. After another valiant fight on the battlefield, Rani Chennamma was finally captured.
Well, as she honors her liberty more than her life, then let's not kill her. Imprison Rani Chennamma at the Belhongal fort.
After spending 5 years in prison, This glorious daughter of Mother Bharat breathed her last breath there on 21st February 1829. But till her death, she never let go of the spirit of dignity and the love for her motherland.
Wow! I salute this great patriot and her great patriotism.
In the year 2007, to honor Rani Chennamma's sacrifice, a statue of hers was erected in the Parliament of India. So what do you say now, Krish? Mummies are not always scared. They can handle dangers very bravely.
Yes, mummy. Rani Chennamma's bravery will definitely inspire all of us.
Glory to Rani Chennamma.
Say it proudly.
भारत है हम
Hey guys! If you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.